Now let's walk through 3 Oracle-related monitors. The first one is price deviation. It monitors price changes on a target Oracle. When the change exceeds a preset threshold, an alert is triggered. Here we'll use Tsunami's ZLP token as our example. Notice it has a built-in pricing mechanism and a price fetching interface called LP price. Let's copy its address and import it into the system. Click Add, then Import. Okay, now let's manually create a monitor for it. Price deviation. We'll check the token address. For Oracle type, there are 3 options. The first is Chainlink, the second is Pyth, both are popular third-party oracles, and the third is Custom Oracle. This option exists because many DeFi projects integrate multiple data sources to build their own Oracle contracts. Here we'll select Custom. Add the Oracle contract, then select the price function. LP price. Phalcon Security automatically pulled the ABI from Etherscan, so we can easily select the price function right here. As you can see, the monitor successfully called the price function and retrieved the current price. Now let's set the deviation threshold, say 30. When the price difference between 2 samples exceeds 30%, an alert will fire. Then set the sampling interval to, say, 10 blocks. Then hit Save. Okay, that monitor is now created. Since this monitor works by comparing values at the start and end of a time window to decide whether to trigger an alert, it's not practical to use testkit or backtesting to verify the results, so the demo for this monitor ends here. The second monitor to demonstrate is Health Check. It triggers an alert when the target Oracle's price fetching interface stops responding or fails. For a clear demo, we'll use a deprecated Chainlink Oracle as our example. First, let's import the Oracle address. Add, Import. Then let's import the token address associated with this Oracle. This token is a proxy contract, so Phalcon Security automatically created a control upgrade and storage collision monitor for it. Now let's manually create a health check monitor for the Oracle. First, select the contract. For Oracle type, select Custom again. Choose the Oracle address. Okay, same as before, we select the price and choose the price function, latest answer. Notice that since this Oracle has been deprecated, the monitor failed when it tried to call that function to retrieve the price. To make it easy to trigger an alert, we'll set the failure threshold to 1. Set the sampling interval to 3 blocks. Click Save. We waited a moment, then clicked Alert Hub. We can see that 5 alerts have already fired. Let's click View Details. Under Alert Description, it says the Oracle call has failed more than 5 times. The third monitor is Price Mismatch. It cross-references a custom Oracle against Chainlink or Pyth to compare prices. If the 2 prices diverge beyond a preset threshold, an alert is triggered. Here we'll use an ETH token on BSC along with a project's custom-built Oracle as our example. First, let's import the addresses. Select the BSC address, then Import. OK. Import the token address. Okay. Now let's create the monitor. Select the token. For base oracle type, select Custom. Select the oracle address. Add. Same as before, I'll select its price function, peak, and fill in the parameters, the token parameters. It successfully retrieved the price. Now for the reference oracle type, let's say we choose Chainlink. That also successfully fetched a price. And the value is close to the one returned by the base oracle. That's expected. For the sampling interval, we can just pick something like 3 blocks. Now let's fill in the expression based on the sample values. Copy it over. Based on the values returned, we can determine that the base oracle's price has a decimal precision of 8. So we need to update the base divisor to 1 times 10 to the 8th power. 1 times 10 to the 8th power. Then, what this expression means is, when the base oracle price and the reference oracle price differ by more than 10%, an alert fires. To make it easier to trigger the alert, let's change the expression to, whenever the base oracle price is greater than the reference price, fire an alert. Click Save. Click Alert Hub. In the Alert Hub, we can see price mismatch has already fired multiple alerts. That wraps up the demo for all 3 Oracle-related monitors.